Hi everyone, this is E.M.P, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes. So here we're looking at the ionosphere on December the 18th, and I was thinking we were likely to see a massive amount of charging or capacitance, and we definitely have that. Now, why was I thinking this? Well, looking at the gamma rays, had a decent spike here on the 17th, at approximately 7:30 Universal Time, and again just before 1200 Universal Time, and then what, half an hour after that the data just drops, and I don't remember really ever seeing this happen like that, so it's kind of concerning, especially with the huge influx of the gamma rays that we've been having on a pretty much on a daily basis, and then on this interval here, um, get incredible amount of charging, especially the red and white areas, and the adjacent black and blue areas are under extreme charging, and so Africa is definitely most of Africa is definitely a huge hotspot, and I gave a warning for Iran, and there's a quake swarm going on there right now. Also, on the 17th, I warned for the Philippines, and there was magnitude 6.2 Micronesia, so just close to the black and blue area there. And also on the 16th, warned for Papua New Guinea, and we had another mega quake there on the 17th at 10:51 Universal Time. So now looking at Beijing's magnetometer, we can see magnetic disruptions at ground level, and approximately 7:30 Universal Time, there was a gamma ray spike, and you can see the reaction big time there. And then 10:50, their spike just before the earthquake there. And Charter Towers, Australia's magnetometer, you can see magnetic reaction, disruption right there, and then the earthquake was approximately there. So huge amount of magnetic activity seen on both those magnetometers, really showing instantaneous action at a distance. Now, looking at the auroral electrojet in Kyoto, which went back up yesterday. I believe it was down on the 16th. But you can see at the time of the earthquake, there was almost no solar induction. And looking at the ACE data, you can see that we only had a solar wind speed, which I look at as a rate of induction was pretty low at the time of the quake. We didn't get a spike till afterwards. So it was definitely a gamma ray or dielectric driven megaquake. Now you can definitely see we did have some spikes in protons. And protons and neutrons are definitely associated with the gamma rays, so that definitely shows what's going on there. So it definitely shows, another magnetometer just to back it up one step further. You can see magnetic activity there, New Zealand, and definitely elevated activity going on at the time of the quake there. So once again, I think this shows instantaneous action at a distance from the gamma rays. We'll have to wait until the data updates sometime usually updates at around 7 or 8 o'clock my time. I'm in Western Canada, to see what's going on there. Hopefully they'll update so we can have a glimpse, because till the mainstream scientists and media acknowledge the dielectric force, aka the ether, they're not going to have any clue what's going on. I'm calling out these quakes with very good accuracy. Today, almost all the areas that I warned for, Papua New Guinea, of course, central Peru, I warned for Brazil. There's magnitude 6.1 at 13:30 Universal Time. and Solomon Islands, another one there, 5.5, and Micronesia, which is close to the area being charged up on the 17th. And then on the 16th, you can see Papua New Guinea really getting some decent charging there as well. So until the mainstream scientists acknowledge the ether, they're just not really going to be able to see what's going on, because everything can be explained by dielectric discharging, magnetic permeability, and dielectric permittivity. It's really that simple. So anyways, this is E.M.P, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes, signing off. Take care.